everybody, how you doing today? My name's Eric. As always, I want to thank you for stopping by and checking out my video today. On this episode of Smo'King, I'm going to show you how to make bacon jalapeno cheese bombs. Now this is super easy. I mean, this is pretty much comprises the ingredients. You need some bacon, okay? You need around 3 or 4 jalapeno peppers. You need some cheese. I got some little cubed snack cheese. I got some Colby Jack and some sharp cheddar, and then you just need 1 can of these ready to bake biscuits, and that's it. We're gonna roll them out. We're gonna fill them up with some cheese, some chopped bacon, some chopped jalapeno peppers. They cook for around 15 minutes in the oven and they are done. This is a quick and simple recipe for a nice appetizer if you're having people over for a barbecue or something and you just want to throw something together to kind of keep them nibbling while the main courses is still out on the smoker. This is a great recipe to do. So stick around. I'm going to show you how to do this step by step. Let's get cooking. Alright, so the hardest thing, I guess, the most time consuming is frying up some bacon and just crumbling it into small pieces. I have these little cheese squares. You can use cheese sticks, grated cheese, whatever kind of cheese you have. And then I took the 3 jalapenos, cut them up, de-seeded them, de-stemmed them, and make sure you wear gloves and don't scratch your eye when handling those peppers. And then the can of biscuits. Let me get this opened up. You want to get some flour to lay down on the cutting board here as we roll these out. Be back in a second to show you how it's done. Alright, so I laid some flour, just all-purpose flour, on the board here. I have my cheese cubes, I have my bacon, I have my jalapenos. I have a cookie sheet here with some foil. I'm just going to spray some non-stick canola oil spray just so it doesn't stick. That's never fun. Like so. And now, when you open up a can of biscuits, there's a total of 8 biscuits. So I kind of split them in half. What you're going to try to do now is to split them in half. And this can be a little bit, let me roll them in flour. I think it's going to be a little bit easier to pull them apart because there's 2 distinct halves. Here we go. Like so. So you're going to have these little halves here. So we want to break 8 muffins into 16 halves. So let me keep doing that. And like I said, if it gets a little too sticky, just rub them in the flour, just like so. Not too hard. Very easy. All right, here we are. 16. I did flip them over, make sure they're nice and floured on each side so they're easy to work with. So now just put the ones, kind of put them off to the side because we're going to use a rolling pin here. So I'm just going to do a little biscuit wall over here. Alright, so this is real easy. You take one of the biscuit pieces here. We're just going to, another thing I'm going to do, I got a little flour here. I put a little flour on the rolling pin too. There we go. And we're just going to roll these flat. Just like so. Like a little pizza, like a little mini pizza. Alright. So now we're going to take a couple pieces of cheese. I think 3 should be enough. I'm going to put a little bit of bacon in there. And a little bit of the diced jalapenos. Now, be creative. You can stuff this with whatever you want. Either just, bacon, cheese, jalapeno bombs, but man, I'm sure you could do things with onions and mushrooms and chicken and different things. So then you just kind of roll it up like a little taco. I found that's kind of the easiest way. And then we're going to kind of pinch them together so it sticks. Like so. And then kind of form it into a little ball like that. Okay? And then place it on your cookie sheet and just keep doing that. And take your time, roll them flat, couple cheese pieces. Looks like 3 of these little cubes is just about right. Sprinkle with some bacon. And a few jalapeno pepper pieces here. Like so. Roll it up like a taco. And kind of fold over the other ends. Like so. Kind of push down, kind of form a seal on the back end like that. Just like so. So I'll continue to do this, guys. I'll be back and I'll kind of show you how it looks like when we're all done here. Alright, here we are. I have a little bit of bacon and jalapenos left. So what I'm going to do here is just kind of, I'm just going to push a few jalapenos right into the top of the dough on each one. Kind of make them look a little more colorful. Like so. And then I'm also going to do that, sprinkle with a little bit of bacon. Like so. That's it. So let me do this. I'll come back. I'll show you how colorful they look before they're ready to be put in the oven. There you go. Look how nice these look. What I'm going to do here is I got a little bit of sharp cheddar cheese. I'm just going to put a little bit of cheese on each one on top just to kind of, hopefully it'll melt just right. There's cheese inside, so we don't have to go crazy, but just a little bit of cheese on top. Alright, man. I'm looking forward to trying these. I'll try to clean it up a little bit. But there you go. Alright, here we are. They're ready to go. A little bit of cheese, a little bit of bacon, a little bit of jalapeno on top. I forgot to preheat the oven, but I'll do that right now. 400 degrees. Be back in a second. Alright, remember 400 degrees on the oven. I just turned it on, but that'll give us enough time for our beverage review. I'm having Captain Dynamite IPA from New Belgium Brewery Company.
What's so funny?
7.7% alcohol. This is some kind of seasonal beer. I've had their beers before. They're pretty good. I can't remember where they're out of. Let's see here. Fort Collins, Colorado, and North Carolina. Okay, but anyway, that's what I'm having. And this is my daughter, Ava Grace, and my son, Kyle.
Hello.
We found a new smoothie for Ava Grace. She's just about tried all of them. I don't know how she's going to like this. This is called Kale Blazer. Flavored blend of 8 juices with other natural flavors. So that's what Ava Grace is going to have. And then Kyle is going to have a craft ginger ale. Craft ginger beer, they call it. Reed's. All natural, 0 sugar, but it says extra. This one's called extra because it has 100% more ginger than the original. So that sounds pretty good. Alright. So.
Dixie got up my seed.
Yeah,
let's open it.
That's all.
Open that up for Kyle. You can pour that, Kyle?
I guess,
and then
Mom found this. She was at the store and they're giving them away. She's like, okay.
Oh, anytime the people give stuff away for free.
Would you like a free thing? No.
Yeah, of course you want.
Never. We do not
want
want free
Ava
things.
Grace, we're gonna see if you like this. That's really green. I don't think you've had one this green. Huh?
Wow. Oranges are not green. Kale leaves, apple.
Okay, you read.
Apples are not really green sometimes.
Yeah.
Cucumber, spinach leaves,
Oh,
celery stalk,
You've got
ginger and lemon.
A lot of sediment on the bottom. That's the ginger pieces. You want to pour all that whole in.
But there's no more room in the cup.
Wow,
no, you got plenty of room.
There's oranges,
Whoa,
kale
look at
leaves,
that.
apple, cucumber, spinach leaves, celery stalk, and ginger and lemon.
All right,
That's
let's
good.
see. Ooh, I smell some fruit flavors here.
That sounds kind of good together.
Ooh, nice.
Oranges.
Nice head, almost too much. I smell a little bit of hops. Ooh, I think I'm going to like this one. Look at that. Captain Dynamite IPA.
Ava really likes the name.
Alright.
No, I like the dynamite part.
Captain Dynamite.
Alright, as always, guys, I appreciate you watching the videos. Let's everyone do a cheers. Cheers, Kyle, cheers.
Cheers, beers.
Thanks for watching the video. I appreciate
cheers for viewers.
Cheers for our viewers.
You almost forgot.
Alright, give it a sip and don't drink it all, Ava Grace. Drink a little bit.
No, drink it all.
Oh, that's good. Mmm. It's got a little bit of a hot bite at first, but
Last sip.
kind of blends away with that fruit aftertaste. Ooh. Tangerine, orange. Oh, I like it. It tastes good. It's decent. Mm-hmm.
All right. Well, I don't think Ava doesn't like it.
Okay, stop. So, look at the camera. Tell me what you think.
Okay, I love it more than any other naked drink. I love this most.
Really?
Yeah.
I've always been suspicious of kale.
That's one of my most favorite ones.
Well, I think it's got a lot of vitamins and minerals.
You know that, right?
They also put celery stalk in there. Spinach, cucumber, kale, orange, and a hint of ginger and lemon.
There's oranges, kale leaves, apple, cucumber, spinach leaves, celery stalk, and ginger.
All right, Kyle, what about you?
All right. Well, we've had this for a while, so there's no real carbonation. So I don't know if it's just it was made that way or if it was just we had it for a while. But it's really gingery. Probably one of
Well, it says extra, made with extra fresh ginger.
probably the most gingery drink I've had on here.
Do you like it?
Besides that, though, it just tastes like you're drinking the ginger pieces.
By the way,
but it's good.
That's right.
By the way,
Yeah,
Dad.
it's really gingery.
By the way, Dad, your drink is the most funniest Captain Dynamite.
Captain Dynamite. So he's got a VR. Is that for like virtual reality on his chest?
IPA, what's that for?
India Pale Ale is what it stands for. IPA.
Oh, I
But this
know
is very good. I like it. I would highly recommend this. I'm glad I bought a 6-pack.
This does smell gingery. Yeah, you would have enjoyed that, Kyle.
Ooh, it's
It's been around a week and a half since I've had a good beer, so this is I'm
You
gonna
should try
enjoy
my
this.
drink sometime. It's pretty good.
All right, guys. 400 degrees. We're gonna stick them in the oven. 11, 12 minutes, all the way up to around 15, 16, depending. So, super easy, super quick. Hopefully, super delicious. So I'll throw them in the oven. We'll be back in a little bit.
And enjoy your Captain Dynamite joking.
All right. Cheers again, and cheers to our
Cheers.
viewers.
Cheers, and I have a beers.
All right. We'll be back in a little bit, guys.
He likes beer.
Right there.
All right, we'll see you. All right, here we are, fresh out of the oven. Oh, man. They look good. And look at that, the cheese and the jalapeno and the bacon just kind of baked right into that top layer. I'll show you here. Let's see, ooh, it's still warm. I was just going to try to show you the bottom side. Whoop, see? Ooh. That's why you want to make sure you spray some kind of spray down there. But yeah, it's nice and crispy. The top part's done, but it's a little more soft probably because it's got the melted cheese and stuff inside. But yeah, let me get this plated up. I'm going to cut one open. We'll check it out and we'll give it a taste. All right, I have a couple plated up here. I mean, come on, look at this. They smell great. But you know what? I want to see what's going on inside. So I'm debating whether to use a knife or just try to rip one open. You know what? I'll be civil. I'll take the civilized approach. Okay, so I'm just going to slice one in half here. Let's take a look. Oh, look at that. Oh my goodness. Okay. Alright, we'll have the family back in a second and give these a try. Alright, welcome back. I'm here with my whole family. My wife Monica,
guys.
my son Kyle, my daughter
Hello.
Ava Grace. Now she can't eat this. She's got a feeding tube. I don't
know,
think a
but
jalapeno pepper. I don't want to do.
peppers.
But she wants to try something on video that she hasn't tried before. So we got her like the Michaelinas, the frozen teriyaki chicken, and I cut up the chicken real good, and so
Oh.
she's got chicken and vegetables and rice.
But what about the people who don't know what Michaelinas is?
Oh,
Well,
it's a frozen meal.
It's a
good.
frozen meal, but
Yeah.
it's basically chicken teriyaki
It's food.
with
Yeah.
rice.
Yeah.
All right.
So we'll
And then
see
I
what
cut
she
a bunch of pieces. I cut them into quarters. I cut a couple of them here. I figure we could just grab a piece.
It
Okay.
smells so good in here. By
Everyone
the way.
grab a
It
piece.
smells like stuffed jalapenos.
And let's give it a shot here. Right, bite-sized piece.
Wait, are we eating it now?
Mhm. Go ahead, eat.
Go ahead.
All right, I'll try
These
another
are
piece.
so good.
Try another piece like this one here. Look at that with all the bacon.
Oh yeah.
I can't really taste too much of the. Doesn't seem too spicy. Here's a good one with some peppers.
We need a good dipping sauce for that. Because the biscuit.
Some kind of sriracha ranch.
Oh
I was
yeah.
about to say just ranch.
Sriracha.
Sriracha
Now I can
ranch.
do the.
These aren't
we
hot.
should-
It's all
Is
cut
it
up
good?
now.
Always when you make
If you
this,
want it
always
harder,
make sure that they're not
hotter,
too big.
keep
Got
some of
it.
the seeds
Deal.
in.
Yeah, you can keep some of the seeds in. But this is kind of a basic recipe, and you can alter it. Like I said, you could put mushrooms, onions, I mean, all kinds of stuff, right? With the cheese, I mean, I think all kinds of different
I don't know
variations.
mushrooms though. Maybe that would let off a little too much liquid and make it
Yeah,
mushy.
maybe.
This is good though.
They definitely kick up the Pillsbury dough muff.
How's yours? Thanks, Kyle.
Good.
How's yours?
Good.
Kyle's going for a
Drop
fresh
the
one?
piece.
It's okay.
Go for it. That's all. Take a
It's
big
okay.
bite, see if it tastes any different.
Is it okay for dogs?
She's all right.
No.
Look at that, you got, show inside, yeah. Got some jalapenos sticking out.
Yeah,
some
man.
It is really good. Yeah.
As always, guys, I appreciate you watching the video. If you like it, please hit the like button. I would love it if you would consider subscribing. And I'll leave a link above and below to my website, ericsmokingbbq.com, where I leave all my recipes and I have photos and the descriptions. Go check them out. All right. You gonna have another one, Mom?
Oh yeah, I'll have another. I was trying to hold off.
So good.
Heck yeah.
So
These
good.
are really good.
Oh.
Oh, we can
Yep.
wait. Okay.
Well, you do need a spicy dipping sauce. I agree. Chipotle ranch.
Chipotle?
Chipotle.
Oh no.
That's my new variation.
We'll have it sriracha.
You can betcha.
Sriracha, that's what I meant. Oh yeah, sriracha ranch.
Chipotle.
Well, what do they call it? Chipotle?
You don't even like
Chipotle.
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 You don't even like chipotle. You say it's too sweet.
You say Chipotle.
Anyway,
He says chipotle.
it's a little hot. It's not really
No,
hot.
come
No,
on. I
it's
took
not.
all the seeds out. Really.
This
Well,
has
maybe that's the jalapeno flavor.
just as much heat as a
You can't take any heat.
spicy chicken sandwich from McDonald's.
How about putting pieces of chicken in there with like a chili verde sauce or pork? That might be good, huh? And green chilies on top
I
instead
feel
of
like it
jalapenos?
takes away the feel though.
That sounds good.
I don't know. I think there's a lot of options if you just think about it.
Yeah. Really good.
All right, guys. Again, thanks for watching. I appreciate it. We'll see you next time. Thanks for stopping by.
Bye.
Love it.
Only thing it's missing is some sour cream.
Bye, guys.